Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time and your attention. And thank you so much to so many of you who subscribe to my channel. I just want to take a moment to say I really appreciate it. Thank you. The channel has grown beyond my wildest dreams, and I'm very happy to see that. Also, I wish to invite you to my website where you can find information about lessons I teach online, and hopefully we can get connected, and I hope to see you there soon. Thanks.